forget to like and subscribe my channel. And this is our factory. We will do a drone shot and we are baking some chicken.
It's not a chicken, man. It's a Saji.
What's it?
Saji is paiyee. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं ये कोई तलवारें नहीं है, ठीक है। ये आज हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं सजी, ये सजी पार्टी जनाब, ठीक है। My dad's baking it because kids cannot bake it because it's really dangerous. This is a coal and the fire is a small little hole. Charcoal, we have charcoal and this is a Saji. Dad is expert, you know that. Dad is expert.
My dad is an expert.
Chef.
And no kids can do this because it's really dangerous. You need an adult, so the adult can help you.
ये हो गया जी, बेहतरीन है, ज़बरदस्त। ये असल में हमने उल्टी लगाई है उसके मुकाबले, वो सीधी थी, ये उल्टी है।
So guys, now we are going to get the drone, so come with me. Now this little bag is open it up. Get the drone box set. It's really hard because one hand I'm vlogging. My God. The Saji, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Go and check NainuVlogs, link in the description, and let's get into this video. So this is the Saji. We have coal in it. This is a small hole. We set it. Ooh, so tasty. It's really good smell. So this is the Saji. It's like a chicken, but it's Saji. Look.
Look at that Saji.
Look at this Saji. We got the Saji. Now come with me.
Yeah. Look at this.
He man.